think they know already. You think everything that you wanna record, every content that you wanna record, every video that you wanna record, you think your audience know already, right? You think someone has done it and it doesn't matter if you do it. That's what you think, right? That's what you tell yourself every time you wanna record and upload on your YouTube channel, right? Yeah, that's all, or that's what we all, thought. That's what I thought. But do you know what? They want to really, they really want to, hear it again. Okay? You want to hear it again? I want to hear it again. Everybody wants to hear it again. Yes, you already know. You already know what we need to do. Okay? We all know what we really need to do. But do you know what? We really want to hear it over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? Yes. Everybody knows how it is hard, you know, to succeed. Everybody knows how success takes time. Everybody knows how consistency is the only way out. Okay? Everybody knows that to be successful, you have to show up every day. Okay? You have to show up every single day. Everybody knows that. Okay? So why do we still make videos? Why do we still have to remind ourselves about it? Why then your videos still matter? To let people know what you think. What does it really, why does it really matter? If we all know, then why does it matter again? And I think it really matters to make videos again is that it's not that we don't know the truth. It's not that we don't know what to do. We know it, but it's buried. Everything that you know is buried. We think we know. It's not that we don't know. We know what we're supposed to do, but the motivation, the realness, the action is buried. It's buried. And to dig it out, you need a reminder. To dig it out, you have to remind yourself every time. Okay? You have to remind yourself every time. Okay? So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you know certain thing, or you know what to do, and you come across some videos that are telling you the same thing. Maybe that time is when the fire in you reignites. Okay, that's where maybe your brain is matured enough to do the actual action. Okay, maybe that's when you come to realize that this is it. This is your starting point. You have to start. And we all know, the moment that you did something that you felt good something that you really wanted to do, and you have been procrastinating. It's not that you don't want to do it, but you didn't find the awareness, the motivation to do it. But we did it because you heard some motivation somewhere. You heard somebody explaining things to you better. You watched a video that was telling you about it, and you do it anyway. Maybe it was starting content creation, making videos. Maybe it was starting a business. Maybe it was learning a new skill. Maybe it was producing your music. You did it. Okay. And it's not that like you just find out and you did it. No, it was continually reminding you, like that thing you did, the music that you produce, the content that you posted today. It was like something, or some content around you, or someone's advice. Like everything was reminding you to do it. You were finding many reasons to do it. Okay. And it's all like the information that is around you. Okay. Not your feeling. Okay. That's what motivated you to do it. You saw some successful YouTuber and he was telling you to do this. You saw it's not the only content that you consume, to start doing whatever you wanted to do. It was multiple contents. Okay. And that one, sparked you. This guy really made me wanna start making videos on my YouTube. This guy, you guys know him. If you know this guy, I hope you have seen him somewhere. Yes, he made me started making videos on my YouTube channel. Yes, you see, I've even printed his photo on my wall. Like, he made me started this. Like, I always give him credit. And there's a lot of content out there, but we are still making content. Okay. Don't think that nobody is going to watch your videos. Okay. The moment you keep on showing up, the moment you stop being lazy, the moment you start being consistent, the moment you say no matter how I feel, no matter how it gets, no matter how my day is going, no matter how I'm facing in life, I'm still gonna do this. I'm still gonna find time to do this. Find time and do it. Okay. There are a lot of people waiting for your content. There are a lot of people, when they see your content, they will be glad. Okay. Everything you want to create is already out there. Just create your version, create your perspective. That's what really matters. Creating your own perspective. Okay. Creating your own idea. That's what really matters. I don't script my videos. I keep most of my mistakes in my videos. I don't edit that much. I keep them in it. That's me. That's who I am. That's how I talk. This is how I talk. This is how I act. Okay. So make videos. This is what I talk about on my channel. Always motivating people to make videos. Yes. I can't do any job. I I won't lie to you. I can't go work myself out like how I used to. My passion has to provide for me. This my passion. My passion is to remind you to make videos. Okay, like this you can make videos like this. You can start a vlog video. You can start a podcast. You can start creating content like create cinematic content. Okay, you can do it. Let me end this video with my story, the reason why I'm making this video. So yesterday I posted my snap. It's been a while since I posted on my snap. So a friend of mine chatted me. He sent me a text and he was like, bro, why do you always talk in your videos? Why do you always speak in your videos? Do you know how your friends are when they are making videos? They will just be just press the record and the music will be playing at the background, and they'll be singing the song or the music. They think that's what I should be doing too. I said no, just not what I want. I always want you to know everything that I'm going through, to know my perspective of life, and to be who I am in real life, in my social media too. Every video that I'm posting is to make an impact and to build my character on my social media. Okay, this is who I am, so I have to know people know who I am. Okay, so I'm being real. I don't have to play music and be singing. That won't bring me any value. And that will not bring you any value too. So I told him that, and he said, okay, I understand. I really understand. And he said he found it hard to record himself. He doesn't have anything to talk about. And I said, no, you have something to talk about. And he said, oh, okay. Yes, I have something to talk about. But I think people already know it. Like, people know it already. So what should I talk about? And I said, no, people know it, but we need a reminders. Okay, we need to remind each other of everything that we want to do. We need to remind each other. Yes, reminding each other is what we need. That's why you matters. That's why your video matters. That's what everything that you want to put, or everything that you want to make on your channel, as long as it's giving value, as long as it's inspiring people, as long as it's educating people, as long as it's helping people, it really matters. Okay, it doesn't matter if there's a version of it. Create your own version of it. Okay, we all know what we need to do, but we need a reminder. You are a reminder. I am a reminder. Okay, still got time. Use it wisely. Let's get that in mind. See you guys in my next video.